Hey y'all, I haven't done this in a while, so let's try some zero gravity beer porn. We're going with Lagunitas Supercluster, the Citra hopped mega IPA of intergalactic proportions. If I don't trip and kill myself, we'll give it a try. I've ignored my chair for too long. I could sleep in this, you know? If it fit on the back of my motorcycle, I already would have been sleeping in it. Camping, I mean, not on the motorcycle. Let's see. Here, a speck of dust, 3 tiny rocks from the source, blah, blah, blah. Life is uncertain. Pale, cold, and bitter. Citra Hop Galaxy wrapped in a solar-free system of aluminum. Lift all of the Anacoa to your lips. Life is uncertain. Yeah, that doesn't tell me a whole lot. Oh, here we go. 8% ABV. And I haven't had anything from Lagunitas in a while. Come to think of it. Pine and citrus, pale golden color. Let's see if we can keep pouring without getting too foamy of a head and having the beer nerds fuss at me. You know who you are. Look at that perfect pour. Okay, for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. Smells fresh, piney, citrusy. Maybe a little lemon lime too. Bitter hops, but it's not overbearing. Slightly sweet. Dry mouthfeel. It's not bad. This is the second hoppy beer I've had recently where just the hops, the bitterness is just more than I prefer. Wonder if my taste buds are changing. At one point, up until a week or so ago, I thought there was no such thing as too many hops. Maybe it's the type of hops. Anyway, you can see it's a pretty brew. It's actually it's not. It's bitter, but it's not that bitter. Maybe it's a funky bitter. I have to figure out what's going on with my tongue. See anything wrong with it? Anyway, it's not bad. Scale 1 to 5, 3.5. Yeah, I say 3.5. So, thanks for watching, y'all, and cheers.